Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford C-Max from year 2012 to year 2019. If you need to remove or replace license plate, tag bulb, yours is out, not working correctly, stay with us. We'll explain how to do that step by step, because if you don't do it right, you will damage the light. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a good price and quick shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, and you can save a ton of money, guys. So let's explain how to do that now. Not very complicated. We have that Ford C-Max right here that we'll be demonstrating on, and all we have to do, okay, we need to actually bring, okay, bring the trunk, okay, to about right here. Okay, will be let me go ahead and open it so we can get a person there, okay, to help me with that. And let us show you what you need to do. We'll demonstrate on one of them right here next to the tag light on the right side. The left side will be identical. You have one notch, okay, that you need to go ahead, okay, press sideways, okay, and pull it out. Once we get it out, I'll explain exactly what I'm talking about. Now, right here, guys, okay, you need to turn and remove it. And now, what I was talking about, this thing right here, okay, when you get it with the screwdriver, you push in, okay, to compress it, and then you pull the right side out. This is the bulb, everything's melted here. Unfortunately, guys, okay, I would recommend using LED bulbs that don't actually illuminate, so don't produce so much heat. Okay, so you can see this is the bulb right here. If you need to buy new bulbs and see how to where you can get them from for a good price, I'll put the link in the description of the video below. But putting it together is practically in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.